Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. I have something super exciting here I want to share with you guys. I'm doing something a bit different, and I'm doing an unboxing video. I don't have a lot of unboxing videos on my channel, but this definitely needed an unboxing video for it. So what this is, it's a new little product that MK is offering over at her shop, Some Assemblage Required. She's going to have a limited quantity of these, probably around 40 of them. And what they are is an embellishment box that she has curated for you. So you're going to have to order it right away, I'm pretty sure, because since she's got limited quantity of them, they're probably going to sell pretty quickly and you don't want to miss it. So I thought I would unbox. This is the January box. This is not the exact box it came in, but I'm sure the box will look very similar to this. When I got my package, my mailman left it sitting out and it got wet. So luckily everything was packaged so well. The inside stuff didn't get wet, but my outer boxes did. And so I am just using another one of her boxes from a previous order to kind of hold it in until I actually unbox it. And I have actually not seen everything inside because it comes wrapped in this awesome brown paper, which is very MK-like, with a little bit of baker's twine here. So this is the first look that I'm seeing of everything on the inside. Now I will admit I have seen a few things because she and I do a lot of collab stuff together, and we run things off of each other, you know, run things past each other to get ideas and such. So I will say I've seen probably a couple of things, but I haven't seen everything. And this J here is just to remind me that it is January's, because I was shipped January, February, and March's at the same time as part of her design team. So here it goes, you guys. I'm super excited about this. Okay, so first of all, we have some awesome film strips. These are from 49 in Market, and when you receive yours, they will come in a package. These ones are not in a package because she didn't receive the packaging before she had to send out the ones for the design team. So you're going to get like a random sampling from one of their one of the 49 in Market tickets and film strip sets. Those are two different sets. The tickets are one, the film strips are another. So here's what I've got. I've got a little mini one. That's kind of cute. I like them too because these ones they're plastic. They're not or acetate. They're not paper. A single, a triple, one with 5. So that'd be kind of cool on a page. You can also cut them apart, make them smaller if you like. And then this piece, which is awesome for texture. I don't know if you can you see the, here, if I put it backwards, you can see the splotches on it. Really cool. So I think that's really fun, very MK-like. So if you like her style and you want to do something similar, these would be great. This box would be a great investment. So we've got this postage stamps. I've got 2 strips of that, and they're all different. I mean, there's 2 sets, but they are different on each strip. That made it sound like the strips were different. Each strip, the stamps are different, but the 2 strips are matching. I've got these tickets. These are perforated. Okay, let me set those down. Okay, these ones are perforated. You can see on the back the perforations. So like this little guy would be one, but you of course could leave them together. You don't have to tear them apart if you don't want to. They're really cool. Lots of fun there. And I've got 3 strips of that, and they are all 3 strips are the same, but the stamps on each one are different, or the tickets on each one are different. And same with this one. This one's a little harder to see the perforation. I don't know, this one actually has a perforation this way too. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to capture it in the light so you can see it, because it's these little tiny tickets. So that these are all perforated around each one. And same with these 2 and these 3. So very cool. Those are fun. Nice items for tucking in. We have these awesome stars. And I love that she leaves the little ones in there because you can use those in other places as well. So I think that's fun. These are wood veneer, and these are out of her new wood, which is a 1/16 of an inch thick, which is really thin. So if you like your wood thin, this is a great way to go. This is awesome, you guys. This one we kind of tag teamed on a little bit of back and forth on what to do. So this is so you can rate your day. I don't even know if I should open this first or these other items. Okay, let me set those items to the side. So this one, you get to rate your day. If you're having a 5-star day, you can put all 5 stars in. Maybe if your fingers are not clumsy like mine. If you want to have a, well, not that you want to have, but say your day is a 4.5-star day, you can put your 4 stars in, and there's a 1/2 star to go inside as well, which is super fun. So I think this is a great answer to everybody's, all the collections that have best day ever, because when is it really the best day ever? I mean, there are a lot of great days, but best day ever kind of eliminates all your other days. So you can have it say, you could use this in there, but you can also go with a 3.5 star DAY. So you can have a 3.5 star day, or you could make it a 4.5, a 2, a 5, a 1. There's even a 0 in here, so you can have just a 1/2 star day. So I think that's kind of cool. You could take this out and you could just use the words star. So you could have a, let's see here, a 2.5 star day. So you could get to rate your day, and that's what I think is so cool about this, you guys, because it's very versatile. You can, like I said, you can put this guy in there to make it your star. You can put this somewhere else on your layout. You could use that as your title and put these two somewhere else. Like, honestly, this set is awesome. You can do so much with it, and I'm sure she has other ideas as well, because, you know, she has a lot of ideas in her mind that works, that are so different from mine. So there are definitely going to be things that she thinks of that I did not think of. And that is one of the reasons that we love doing collabs together, because we think very differently about our products and how to use them. So a lot of fun. In case you're seeing the back, it does have the backing on it. This is just from the cutting of the acrylic, and it just peels off. So it just basically peels off. You'll have to do that yourself. So in case you're wondering why it's brown on the back side, it's it kind of protects the acrylic because of the little flash burning of the pieces where the laser cuts it. You can see the little burn marks. So that protects it from that. So I'm super excited about this, you guys. That's going to be awesome to use. Lots of fun there. And then we have some additional products. So we've got 2 Some Assemblage Required exclusive products to the box. We have some 49 and Market stuff. We have this piece from Dusty Attic. This is chipboard, laser cut chipboard. This is decorative frame number 1. And let's see here. I'm gonna see if I can pull it out here. Well, maybe I can't get it out. Oh my goodness. Here it goes. It's coming out, guys. I probably should have pulled it out before I did this, but then it truly wouldn't be an unboxing. I would have seen everything. So very awesome and detailed pieces. I don't know if I actually want to try pulling these out right now, but maybe I will. I'll pull out the large one. They are kind of just tagged in there, like everything is cut except for like one little piece right here. I just have to kind of pull that apart. So every so often there's a piece that just has a little tag on it to hold it into the in place basically. But once you get those, it's pretty easy to get it out. I just don't want to rip any delicate pieces because I am kind of like a bull in a china factory sometimes, and I am not super gentle at times. Okay, come on out, pieces. There we go. So that is what it looks like. And then if these little nubs bother you where you pulled it out, you can just easily take a file and just file it down. And hopefully you're gonna, well, I would assume you're gonna do some mixed media on top or paint it somehow, just to make it your own, make it fit what you're gonna do with your layout. So those are cool, and there's a little one here too. Those are really cool, lots of fun. These are from Australia, you guys. So they have come far for us to use. This company has a lot of fantastic stuff, and they are a lot of fun to play with. And then we have some epoxy flare from Scrap and Happy Studio. So it's just a sampling of 3 pieces. These this month it's stars, because we've got kind of a star theme going on. This is, in case you're wondering what this block is, this is from the cutting of the edges of the chipboard. It always has like a burnt edge on it. So you can take your baby wipe and kind of wipe around it. It does literally wipe right off. Like, it's not gonna stay on your hands. So just don't freak out if there's a little burnt edge around it. That's from the laser burning it. And then if you are familiar with Scrapping Reflections, which is owned by Sandy Reversky, or State Goddess over on social media, she has a stencil for you each month that MK has designed and asked her to create. So this is this month's stencil, More Stars. I'm loving that. I think that's super fun. You could actually even combine this with this. You know, you've got your stars there, and only fill in what you want. I don't know, it would be really interesting to play with it that way. So lots of fun stuff in this box. The boxes are $37 plus shipping, and there will be, I think they're gonna be released at the same time as her new product each month. So of course, if you're buying additional products, you have the potential to combine those somehow. So I am very, very excited to play with this. So this is the January embellishment box from Some Assemblage Required, you guys. Remember, there's limited quantities, so you want to definitely get your order in as quickly as you can, because I'm sure she's going to run out. Okay, you guys, I am back with more information on this kit this set that I was like, I don't know what that is. It is soccer. So he is playing soccer, and you know, they don't use their hands in soccer, except the goalie does. So those two are the goalie. This guy's coming in for a kick. This guy is supposed to be bouncing a ball there, but she didn't include the ball because it was so small it would get lost. But that is what he's doing. So it is definitely soccer. So you have all kinds of awesome silhouettes for your soccer players. So that answered my question, you guys. I was like, I don't know what sport this is. Obviously, I didn't play soccer. My kids did, just for a very short time. In short, I mean like just a few months. It was one of those like try the sport type of deal and see if they like it. So anyway, that is definitely soccer. I just